Hello, my precious people. How are you guys doing? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to another vlog. Honestly, I don't know what this vlog is going to be all about, but I hope this goes good. It is Saturday today, so happy weekend, my precious people. If asked, मेरे कोई भी special plans नहीं है इस weekend के लिए, बट यू नेवर नो कि कौन सा प्लान बन जाए. सो या दैट्स वाई आई एम शेयरिंग दिस व्लॉग विथ यू. आई जस्ट होप इट डजंट टर्न बोरिंग, बट इवन इफ इट डज, fine. Not all days are same, right? Nevertheless, I am going to share this vlog with all of you. Right now I am done with my breakfast and मैं अभी जा रही हूँ ट्यूशन लेने. वैसे तो it is a holiday today, लेकिन कुछ स्टूडेंट्स की एग्जाम है, सो आई हैव केप्ट एक्स्ट्रा क्लास टुडे, इसलिए मैं जा रही हूँ अभी ट्यूशन्स लेने. उसके बाद लेट्स सी व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू. Hello my precious people, done with my tuitions. Now I am going to take shower. So yes, I shall see you after I am done with my shower. Hello my precious people, I am back. I took a nice hot relaxing shower and right now I am thinking that I should prep my nails because I have something in my mind regarding my nails. I will be doing a basic nail prep, so let's go. So here's my cuticle oil, you guys. I will be applying this on the cuticles to nourish them and मैं इसे कुछ टाइम के लिए ऐसा ही छोड़ दूंगी to soften my cuticles a bit, because मुझे cuticles को थोड़ा सा कट करना है. Again, I am just doing basic nail prep that is usually done before doing nails. Also, I am not going to buff my nails because I am not a big fan of doing that. I feel कि buff करने से nails की ऊपर की layer चली जाती है and the nails become thin. So that's the thing. Okay, I am pretty done applying cuticle oil all over my cuticles. Now I will just leave these as such for about 5 minutes and then I will just push the cuticles back and then cut them. So yeah. Alright you guys, it's been 5 minutes now. It's time to push the cuticles back and this is the tool. Actually ये cuticle cutter के साथ भी आता है which is fixed on this side, but मेरा cuticle cutter टूट गया. It is from Vega and this is a cuticle cutter and a pusher. So we are not going to cut the cuticles, we are only going to push them. Any of which ways, you know, मेरे cuticles बहुत ज़्यादा grown नहीं हैं, so it's fine for me if I don't cut them. Let me clear one thing कि मैं कोई professional नहीं हूँ. I just do what works for me. That's it. So yeah, that's the thing. I am almost done prepping my nails. Our nails are pretty ready for doing the nail art right now. Guys, I was in the middle of doing my nails when I received two of these parcels. Let's unbox it and you will get to know कि इन parcels में क्या है in the shorts video. So stay tuned. Hello my precious people, how are you guys doing? I am vlogging after such a long time. I mean, I think 2 या 3 hours बाद I am vlogging and look, I am done with my nails, you guys. This is how they look. Wow, I am obsessed with these. तो मैंने nails कैसे किए हैं, this would be live. Actually ये vlog जब जाएगा तब तक वो shorts live हो चुका होगा. So make sure you watch these. And these nails, these are inspired by a celebrity. If you know which celebrity these nails are inspired by, please make sure to write it down in the comment section. And yes, that's that. Okay, so now I need to head out, इसीलिए I need to get ready. So if I could shoot, then I will be shooting, and if I couldn't record, then okay. So yeah, I shall see you in a bit. Hello, my precious people. What is up? How are you guys doing? It is literally the next week, and I did not vlog for a couple of days because I got so much busy. So many things were lined up that it just completely skipped my mind कि मुझे vlog भी करना है. Finally, I am vlogging today again, and the reason is because I decided to do facial today. Yes, you heard me right. I am going to do facial here at my place itself, all by myself. Let me just grab that packet of facial which I purchased, and I shall see you in a bit. Alright you guys, here's the facial kit जो मैंने purchase की है from Purple, and काफ़ी पहले मैंने इसे purchase किया था. This is by Glam Veda, and it is their charcoal detox facial kit. It is suitable for all skin types, and it is a 6-step facial kit. I have 6 sachets of these which I am going to use it today. Right now, as you can see, I have makeup on. So firstly, I'll quickly tie my hair in a bun so that our hair are secured properly, and then I will be removing my makeup using makeup cleansing pads. These are reusable ones. Now let's start our facial. Step 1 is facial cleanser. We need to apply small amount of this cleanser with moistened hands to the face, and we need to massage it with fingertips and then rinse off with plenty of water. Of course, we will not be ignoring our ears and our neck too, and then we'll wash it off with water. Now our next step is facial polisher. Now I don't know what it is, but when I saw the product, I quickly came to know that it was a physical exfoliant, that is scrub, which did not smell very nice. I am not a fan of physical exfoliation, इसलिए मैंने इसे बहुत ज़्यादा देर तक नहीं रखा, and I quickly washed it off. For the third step, we have facial massage cream. We need to apply it on clean face and neck, avoiding the eye area. Now we need to spread it evenly onto the face and the neck and gently massage it for 5 to 10 minutes. And उसके बाद we need to leave it for 5 to 10 minutes, and then उसे remove करना है using water or damp cotton. For step number 4, we have hydrating gel. We need to apply a generous quantity onto the skin and let it absorb for 7 to 10 minutes. Again, we need to leave out the eye area, and 7 to 10 minutes के बाद we need to wash it off with lukewarm water. For step number 5, we have facial mask, and it is a charcoal facial kit, but the mask is white in color, and I don't know why. I expected it to be black, but white face mask मिला है हमें. We will keep it for 5 to 10 minutes and then wash it off with water, and look how fresh my skin looks. For the final step, that is step number 6, we have facial serum. So we need to apply it all over our face and the neck and let the serum absorb into our skin on its own. Guys, I am done with my facial, and this was such a relaxing experience. I'm feeling so happy after doing this self-care session. You know, self-care, self-pamper sessions are one of my favorite kind of things. I love doing these, and it feels so good to pamper ourselves. So yeah, that is it. Now it's time to end this vlog right here. If you like such kind of cute, cozy self-care session vlogs, then please give it a big fat thumbs up, share as much as possible, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on all my socials. Link in the description bar below. Also write down in the comment section what do you want to see next. Remember, your wish is my command. Till then, this is me Vin signing off. I shall see you all in my next video. Bye.